Okay, this time we're given a problem where we're given the mass of a substance and we want to convert to the number of molecules. So here's the problem. How many molecules are in 200 grams of carbon dioxide? So we already know how to convert to moles, so that's going to be our first step. We're going to take this 200 grams and we're going to convert it to moles. So what we do, or what I did here, is I put 200 grams over X moles equals 44 grams over 1 mole. Because if you take the masses of 1 carbon, which is 12, and 2 oxygens, which are 16 each, that adds up to 44 grams per mole, and I get 4.55 moles. So I know that 200 grams of CO2 is 4.55 moles. All right, now once I have the number of moles, my second step would be to take that number of moles and convert to number of molecules. So I could simply do 4.55 moles times 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, because that's the number of molecules in 1 mole. And I get 2.74 times 10 to the 24th molecules. If you prefer, you could set it up as a ratio. Number of molecules over moles equals number of molecules over moles. You get the same answer. Now, alternatively, you could do the unit conversion method, which I showed you in the previous video. I could take the 200 grams that I'm given. I'm going to adjust this a little bit so maybe we can see that a little bit better. Put it over 1. Now, I'm going to multiply by 1 mole over 44 grams. That is so these grams cancel out. That gets me to moles. Then I'm going to multiply by 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd molecules over 1 mole. The moles cancel out, I'm left with molecules, I get the same answer. So these problems are just like problems you've been doing, just that they have 2 steps instead of 1. And that might make it a little more confusing, but there's steps that you've done before, you just got to put them together.